This is the River Diamantina 20-foot club lounge. It's the most popular caravan in the whole river range, and importantly, you can order it to suit yourself. There's plenty of customizations that you can do. But have a look at this. You've got a DO35 hitch, you've got this massive box here, and that's got a generator slide already built in. Come with me. Butte tunnel boot. So you're always looking for storage. You've got storage there. You've got your picnic table here. You've got sound system on the outside as well as the inside. And then you've got all these LED lights so that when the awning's out, and it's a Butte awning, but when the awning's out, you've got beautiful lighting here when you're entertaining of a night time. Come on through. I'm going to show you an incredible feature. I'm outside the van. This is a cupboard inside the van. And if I'm barbecuing out here, cooking out here, prepping out here, I can reach in and get goodies from the van without having to come in. Isn't that clever? Then when you come up, if you're prepping inside, no worries, because the same unit is there. How clever is that? In here, fabulous, because if you're cooking, you've got to have great appliances. This is a terrific appliance. You've got electric, 3 gas, so that's all done. An oven down here, which is fabulous. When you close this, you've got full level prep area all the way across, and then you've got the big sink, then you've got your water filter, and over here is the dish drainer. So clever. Big microwave up here, lots of cabinetry. Around here, the TV swivels, so wherever you are, if you're watching it from the club lounge, if you're watching it from the bedroom, you've got easy watching. But it's storage, isn't it? We all love storage. Have a look in here. This van has so much storage space. Cupboards here, cupboards there, cupboards over there, cupboards across. Then you've got the big fridge area. Such a great floor plan. You can order one of these. You can order one of these for you. Then you've got the big club lounge. Now the important part is this table is so clever because it moves. People can get in, people can get out. You can slide it in, slide it out, do whatever. Use it as extra prep space if you're cooking a Butte dinner. But importantly, this table lowers down, and then there's another cushion that comes with it, and so you've got an extra bed or two for guests. So if you've got kids, grandkids, whatever it be, fabulous. They've got extra overnight room. Wonderful. Let's go and have a look at the bathroom. Full toilet, amazing storage. Linen press here, 3 levels of linen press. Of course, above the toilet, there's an exhaust fan too. Amazing vanity, but the washing machine is right there. Isn't that clever? So you've got your own washing machine already done. And your shower, fabulous. It's a full size shower, hot and cold, exhaust fan. It is clever. A brilliant unit. So if you want the Diamantina from River, 20-foot club lounge, order yours now.